Yeah man, welcome back to Lucian Goat Farm, right? So I'm gonna show you guys the first way I started to feed my goat with sugar cane, and they start to adapt and eat sugar cane, alright? So when I had a small herd, about 10 goats, I used to do a cut and carry. So this is where I used to just come and throw a bundle of bush in here, including sugar cane top like this. I used to cut it like this with you know, where I'm living is a lot of sugarcane farm, and being around there cutting feed, that, and the canes have a lot of hog slip or hog meat with, some people know it as. So when I cut a variety of bush, including chin, other grasses, chinpies, I just bring it and come and throw it in here. So when they eat everything and leave the sugarcane top, they'll eat the leaves. As you know, sugarcane have a lot of fiber. Then they'll go down and start eating the soft part of the stem here, this part. So let us eat. And that is where it started, because when they eat off everything and just leave the cane, after eating everything, they'll just start eating the cane. That goats are very intelligent and inquisitive, so that's where it all started. Alright, just remember to like, share, subscribe to Lucian Goat Farm. Okay, yeah man, one love. Pick up all the subscribers, the viewers, everybody who's watching. Big up. Yeah. Alright guys, look at it. See if she start to eat the leaves. Yeah man, as you know, sugarcane is sweet. See it guys? Just start to eat the stem of it. Watch. They'll eat the softer part, then go down to the tougher part where they can eat as much as they can eat. As long as it can go up in their mouth and chew, they'll chew at it.